Hello, my name is Craig Smith, and if you're thinking to yourself, wait a second, I've seen that guy before. That guy looks familiar. He's been on QVC before, hasn't he? Yes, of course I have. I've been a QVC on-air guest in the category of electronics now for more than 11 years, and I love QVC. I love being in the QVC studio. I love working with that amazing production team, and I love connecting with the QVC customer on a personal level. It's an amazing experience. So when I found out you were looking for new hosts, how about this guy right here? Because I'm ready to jump in the ring and make it happen. So just to give you a little bit more about my background, I'm more than just the tech guy at QVC. I also have been married to my wonderful wife for 16 years now. We got two great kids living in the Westchester area. I've got two golden doodles who are running around this house somewhere. Hopefully they don't bark during the course of this presentation. We'll see how that goes. I also love being outdoors. Big sports fan, love being active. And when it comes to doing things around the house, it's this guy right here. I'm the guy who'll be cleaning up the leaves probably tomorrow afternoon. So I'd love to get my hands on some of those QVC power tools that we have. This right here, it's not a set. This is the Smith family kitchen. I'm the guy that's whipping up dinner several days a week on that stove so I can cook as well. So it's more than just the tech guy, and that's what I'm going to show you right now in my little demo reel. So I chose two products that aren't technology. I wanted to step outside of my comfort zone, try new things. So we're going to present the Keurig coffee maker, and then I have a Duraflame infrared heater behind me here. Because you guys wanted to see this reel here in just one big take, I'm ready to roll the dice and make it happen. I just wish I had a studio coordinator somewhere nearby. But hey, we're going to do the best we can. It's just like live TV. It's just like QVC. Let's have some fun. Are you ready? Of course you are. You're watching the demo reel. Let's make it happen. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good afternoon, and thanks for watching QVC. I'm program host Craig Smith, and we've got a special sneak peek for you to showcase two of our upcoming Today's Special Values right here on QVC. You'll see both of these throughout the course of the holiday weekend. We want to give you a little sneak peek right now. So here it is. Our first one comes to us from Keurig, a coffee brand that has totally transformed the way millions of people get their morning cup of joe. And this is the Keurig K-Supreme. So you've probably seen Keurig coffee makers on QVC in the past. This version's a little bit different. I'm going to show you why in just a second. So our item number, K54513 for the Keurig K-Supreme coffee maker. If you shop this one this holiday season, I promise you, you're going to find it for about $249. Our today's special value price is at $199.99 or 5 easy pays of $40. Not just the coffee maker though, we're also going to give you 48 K-Cups as well in 4 different variety flavors for you. And if you like your own special ground of coffee, don't worry, you can use that in this Keurig as well. We're going to include the reusable filter too. So all of that for $199.99 as part of our upcoming Today's Special Value. So what makes the Keurig K-Supreme a little bit different than all the other Keurigs out there? Let me show you. You have a variety of ways of brewing coffee. First of all, if you want to make your traditional pot of coffee, absolutely, you can do that. It includes your traditional filter for your grounds. We also include the coffee pot, and you can brew anywhere from 6 cups all the way up to 12 cups of coffee. But the way most people use their Keurig is for that quick cup of coffee in the morning. We're rushing around, we gotta get the kids on the bus, you gotta grab this, you gotta grab that. You may not have time to go scooping through coffee grounds and all of that. That's why you're gonna love the Keurig K-Supreme. The way it works, grab one of your K-Cups, drop it in the top right there, close the lid, and then you choose. How do I want to brew my coffee? Do I want a pot or do I want a cup? Well, I'm going to go with a cup of coffee. Then I choose my size, whether it's 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces. I'm going to choose 6 and press brew, and that's it. Now I can continue the chaos of my morning and not have to worry about my cup of coffee because it's all taken care of thanks to Keurig. I did mention earlier, you're going to get 48 of the K-Cups. 12 of them are going to be the Starbucks French Vanilla. We also have 12 of the Green Mountain Caramel. We have 12 of the Caribou Daybreak and 12 of the Krispy Kreme Donut Shop flavors. So 4 great varieties there. If you're looking for more, we have a whole slew of Keurig K-Cups available for you on QVC.com. So that's a quick look at the Keurig K-Supreme, today's special value. We have it in the black that I have in front of me, also available for you in the stainless steel look. Our item number is K54513. QVC, today's special value price, $199.99. So that's the first look that we have right there. Let me get my cup of French vanilla. That smells good. Let me get that out of the way. And our second today's special value that we're going to have on QVC this weekend is going to be the Duraflame infrared heater. It's that old classic look of the old stove heaters, but Duraflame gives us some modern technology to make it much more efficient. Now I want you to think about this time of year, right? We're in the middle of fall, the days are beautiful, the nights are getting a little bit chilly, and you're thinking to yourself, gosh, I wish I could just warm up just my bedroom. I don't want to turn the heater on yet. I don't want those skyrocketing costs to come flooding in when the bills come due. This is a great solution to that problem, because this Duraflame infrared heater has the ability to heat up a square footage space of up to 1,000 square feet at less than 25 cents an hour. So instead of cranking up the heat and heating up your entire house, just heat up that one room. If you're like me and you use your office in the basement, guess what? I have no heating vents in the basement, but that's where I work. I want it to be a little bit warmer. This guy right here, the Duraflame infrared heater, gets the job done. Our item number for the Duraflame is V36524. We have it available in this classic black. If you're looking for a more modern look, we also have it for you in bronze, and we have it in a beautiful dark red that we're calling cinnamon. Price out in the marketplace is going to be $275. Our today's special value this weekend, $229.44 with free shipping and handling. Show you real quickly how this is going to work for you. As we open up the front, great thing about it is there's no heat coming out of the front here. So we have the look and feel of a traditional fireplace. And as we flick on the on and off button, you can see that nice look and feel of the flames coming out there. If you don't even want to use this as a heater and you just want to use this as a beautiful showcase piece because you have a big party this holiday, this is going to be ideal to have in your living room or your family room. And then when we want to turn on the heat, it's this switch right here, and you can actually adjust your temperature. So how much extra heat do you want to add to that room? How much warmer do you want to be when you're trying to get that great night's sleep? Don't reach for the extra blankets. Don't go diving in for the thermal socks. Use this Duraflame infrared heater. It's going to keep you nice and warm throughout the fall, winter, and early spring months. So that's our second item we have as part of our TSV sneak peek. Both of these today's special values, the Keurig and the Duraflame, both be showing up this weekend on QVC. The Duraflame item number again, V36524, available in black, bronze, and cinnamon at the QVC price of $229.44. Stay tuned for more great QVC coming up after this. There you got it. There's my demo reel, folks. Hope that you like it. If you want to see more of my content, you can go to smittydiddy.com, or you can just go surf through YouTube under some of the electronic products under QVC. I'm in a whole bunch of those videos. Hopefully you like what you see. Talk to you soon.